ladies and gentlemen, and as always, thank you for watching. Tonight we've had multiple calls. We had a light snow earlier. We had heavy snow earlier in the weekend, and light snow earlier today. The sun was out and the temps dropped rapidly, and we had a flash freeze. So there's ice on the roadways when people think it's just wet. They actually had the interstate shut down at one point. We've been called for another one off in the median. Don't know if it's a simple slide off or what, but we're gonna go see what we can find. As always, we ask for prayers, good thoughts, well wishes for all involved. Ethan and I are gonna head up there and see what we got. Here we go. I guess we should just grab it by the back end and get the heck out of here. That's how it works. All right, ready? Let's go. Watch out behind you. Don't turn your back on them.
I saw there was nobody coming.
Here, turn my parrot on. Just like that. I got it. I got it. All right, now I'm going to need a redirect off the bed. Well, this is slick. Watch yourself. All right, get out of the road. Get the redirect up there.
You want it to the corner?
Yes. Then put. That's all right. Hold that for a minute, please. Give me more. All right, got it. Well, yep. Tell my hat fell off. Dadgummit, come on. Hat doesn't want to stay on.
I'll take your little beanie off.
Doggone it. Come on.
You get it now?
Yeah, go. Let me see if I can get it in neutral.
Well, I think it's good to have the slide right now.
Right. It's a stick shift.
Oh.
And it's stuck.
Locked in gear.
Yep. All right, go. Watch back, watch back.
Yeah. Okay.
I got the brake. All right.
Because it's wanting to drag too far that way.
It's all right. off the brake. Ah. Hold on, hold on. All right. Just a little trick I learned.
Let it off over there
Here in just a second. Yes, if it will hold. Yep, it's holding. Let it off. Watch your fingers. Now the front end should. All right, now I need you to hold the brake. Nope, never mind. All I gotta do now is drive forward with it, and it'll swing that back or that front end around. Come on, you. I know, that's why I really want to get off here. Let's do a quick grab and go. We'll stop up here at the ramp. It's all right. We didn't do that.
I know.
Let's just get one quick chain on it real quick and let's get out of here.
Well, I can get off the front super quick.
I don't want to be out here any longer than we have to, bud.
I know.
Conditions are getting worse by the minute. Watch your back, buddy. Watch your back.
Okay, we're good.
Grab the bumper, yeah. And the door, the driver's door. Sorry, that one fought us for a minute. No, we're good. All right, you say this person's got a ride. You gonna give them a ride? All right. You're safe to come over. Just
get my passenger seat.
hurry before traffic comes on. There you go. Boy, it's nasty out here tonight.
Bad.
Who called for this freezing mist? I didn't think it was supposed to do this.
To me.
Yeah, it was a real shock.
You just get my passenger seat.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Got it, bud? Let's roll. Sorry, I wasn't trying to be a pain. We were just.
Oh no.
Whew. All right.
Got one coming.
Hold it.
I'm staying in this lane from now. Yeah, I wasn't trying to be rude, buddy. I just didn't want to. I wanted to get the heck out of there. Whew. Sorry, bud. You know, we good? Okay. Yeah, it's hovering between what, 27 and 28? And it's drizzling.
Trucks are everywhere though.
Well, that's good. Get that at this temperature, the salt will work. The other night when it was down below zero with the wind chills in the negative 20s.
Well, it looks like it's been salted now.
Yeah. Yeah, the other night they couldn't do anything with it because the chemicals they use here are different than they use up north. That's definitely a job for an adrenaline junkie, huh? Jeez Louise. Oh shoot, camera's still on. I forgot all about it. I got too busy tied up focusing on the job. Okay, so outro. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the driver was uninjured. It was just a flash freeze. The Interstate was glazed over, lost traction, spun out, and hit the median. Driver was uninjured. Actually getting a ride with the officer to a motel. Conditions like this, please, please, please drive carefully or stay at home. Not worth risking your life, especially on ice. Anyway. No injuries, best result possible. As always, thank you for watching. God bless.